Hi there everyone, today we got A03 Core old one, Samsung LCD replacement. It's not that difficult. What I remember is you put your fingernail or tweezer or anything, but first we have to remove the SIM card tray. So we remove SIM card tray, and then you can hear the locks are coming out. The cover is already broken, so it's not me. Go all around it. We're going to open this side, bottom piece, because it has a bottom flexi to connect. This cover must come out. Should have locks. We remove this flexi. This is broken already, so shouldn't be a problem to come out. We'll clean it quickly. I'm going to test the LCD in front of you because the battery is very low, so we're going to charge it later. Everything looks like working. I'm going to show you how to put it. So after cleaning, we're going to put the glue. All around it, little. Cleaning is necessary so the new glue doesn't come out easy. It takes its place. Once the glue is there, very easy the way you took it out. Just put the flexi in there, adjust the LCD. Put the flexi cable to the motherboard. Now you can put back all the screws quickly. I've shown you it's working. Put the bubble wrap down there so when you're putting the screws you don't press too much. Even if you're pressing it, it doesn't break the screen, new screen. So this is how we changed LCD on Samsung A03 Core, the old model. And please, I need watch time, guys, please help me out. Like, subscribe, share my videos with your friends, watch them fully so it can benefit my channel. I really appreciate. So these were the screws that we had. One is here, so we're going to put it here near to flexi. The other one we can just leave it like that. Once the screws are gone, put the back cover. I hope you like it. It will help you to fix the phone when you're changing the LCD. Press all around, put a couple of rubbers and leave it for about half an hour. That's my way of making the screen connect properly, like the glue, for the glue. Don't forget this. Thank you very much. Until next time, goodbye.